What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. I fucking finished my coffee already, so I'm hyped up for this video. We're about to learn how to make fire melodies inside of FL Studio. I'm gonna guide you through the whole process, so make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video. That way you can learn the most out of this. Make sure to stick around till the end of the video because I got a surprise inside of the video for you guys. It's something free you can download. Let's just dive right into it. Let's get it. So the easiest way to actually make melodies is click on this button right here, so that is highlighted, and then right click. Right here you have all the scales and the notes. So right here we're using A major, so you just right click on that to select it, and same for this right here. And then right here what this does is it turns your keyboard into like a piano. Everything you're playing is in key, which is super fire. But another technique is also the counting method. So right here you click on A and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you get like a triad chord. But we can make a 7th chord out of this, right, like this. It's like a different tone to it. You can even go further in this. I like that. So let's copy that over. If you want to be lazy, you can drop it down 5 semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that sounds good, you know what I'm saying? That sounds pretty decent. What I'm actually going to do is try to stay inside of the scale. So let's move this one up. And this one as well. And now it's a major chord. This is minor. Sounds way darker. What I like to do as well is add bottom notes to this. So same technique, we just count down 0, 1, 2, 3. Sounds good, you know what I'm saying? It's easy. So let's just make a progression out of this. So copy that over, and what I like to do is just go down in the scale. You can leave this one here. So what I like to do as well is just follow the scale. Another great tip what I can give you is use scale highlighting. So right here, your grid, scale highlighting, and then select the same scale as you selected before. So major and then A, and now all the white notes are in that scale. So it's super easy for you to see what is inside of the scale and what not. It's so important to make sure you have like everything in scale when making your melodies. Right here, what I hear is dun, dun. Easy chords, easy chords. What we can do now is select everything and Option S to strum it. Play with the velocity a little bit. That's Alt R or Option R. What I'm going to do is clone this sound and put that on another sound. That preset is crazy. Okay, wait. I kind of want to save that because that's crazy. Right here, I found this sound. Little bell sound. All right, you're probably thinking, bro, this guy is making fucking trash, and just wait, bro. Trust the process. Beat making is all about trusting the process. Like, while I'm fucking talking right here, I'm adding some effects to it and some juices. It's gonna sound way better. Like, just wait. We add vintage verb, we added half time, we added some delay. Right here, favorite preset, echoes, guitar, 8 notes, boom. And now let's listen to how it sounds. That's what I'm saying. We pitch that up. Can even add shaper box. All right, the chords sound a little bit boring. They're cool, but we gotta do something else with it. We gotta spice it up. So let's delete that and grab another preset. Kinda like this preset. I said it was lazy, the 5 semitones down, but this is hard. Yeah, yeah. What we can do right now is copy this over and layer it. Dude, this is beautiful. Let's add a pad in there. A really key thing right here with layering things is like, it needs to make sense. The counter melodies needs to speak to each other. Like the one counter melody is tu 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 tu, and the one is like tu, like it needs to make sense. It needs to blend all together in some beautiful fucking symphonies. I don't know, but even I want to add something like this, like where it's like the same chords, but then basically moved to the sides. Add some super VHS. I want to add one more counter melody, like a vocal or something, because that's what I'm hearing. It's also really important to hear what you're doing and not just like add stuff and like, you know what I'm saying? Some people just throw shit on to throw shit on.
Baby, I loved you more than words can say. More.
I might want to pitch it down. I like where this is going. All we gotta do is add some drums to it to see if the sample is usable and is ready to send out. If you made it this far in the video, the link to this melody is in the description. Make sure to go check it out and download it. It's free, completely free. If you make something with it, make sure to tag me on your story or DM me on Instagram @SconnorBeats. I'm quite curious what you'll make with this sample. But yeah, let's just continue cooking this up. Bro, I love this melody. It's so smooth. I don't know what it is, but it has something like hypnotic, mysterious to it. I love it, bro. Dude, this was the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. By the way, all the sounds that I'm using are in the link in the description. Make sure to go check that out, or head over to the website astrosample.com and got a bunch of fire sounds, so make sure to go check that out.